this is a project that has been in the works for close to 18 years in discussions and commitments. And if you look at the Kenya Kwanza Manifesto, part of the MICE program is this development you see here.
In the year 2008-2012, during which Bomas was implementing its strategic plan, there was an idea of developing a 7-star hotel. A concept note was developed to that regard and presented to the cabinet in 2012 and approved. In 2013 December, the cabinet enacted the PPP Act. I am glad through the leadership of His Excellency the President approved the development of Bomas International Convention Complex in August of 2023.
Apart from the convention center, we have a big auditorium, we have a ballroom, we have many other meeting rooms, I think 24 other meeting rooms. And I must commend, Kenyans who are working on this project. The contractor who has been given this job. This is work of 1.5 years. Ordinarily, this project, if it was the usual, this would be a project of 5, 6, 7, 10 years. I am very proud that we are not only building this project, but we are building the capacity of our own engineers that will build the next projects in Kenya.
Sasa 10 term plus 42 term. Kazi yenye wanafanya ni kazi nzuri. Si Bomas, si Talanta, si Sha, si nini. Mambo kubwa sana.
Let us believe in ourselves. Let us believe in our country. Rome was not built in one day, but we are building it step by step. One project after another. One program after another.